Welcome to EDU World Space.
There, when we have a sample of gas in a container, the particles are of course moving. They have kinetic energy, so they are moving, and they are colliding with the walls of their container. All right, so I drew 8 molecules here, and like I say, they are moving, so they're colliding with the walls of the container. When they do that, they exert force in a certain area on their container. In other words, a pressure. All right, so collisions with the walls of the container is how we get pressure. All right, well, we are told that the volume of the container remains the same and the temperature remains the same. So therefore, same size container, and the particles are going to continue moving at the same speed. So we want to know if we want to reduce the pressure by a factor of 2. So we want to decrease this pressure by a factor of 2, and we want to know what the drawing would look like. Well, decreasing it by a factor of 2 means that we need half as many collisions. And since the particles are moving at the same speed and the container is the same size, the only way we can get half the number of collisions is by having half the number of molecules. So I had 8 up there. In my diagram here, I'm just going to have 4. That's going to give me half the number of collisions. Therefore, the correct answer is going to be letter B. If we've decreased the pressure by a factor of 2, in other words, we've cut it in half, what we're going to have is half as many molecules. That gives us half as many collisions, therefore reducing the pressure in half, or by a factor of 2. So half as many molecules would be our correct answer. Thanks for watching, and I hope this explanation was helpful.